pre-scrubbing, doing a lot of prep work before you do the actual rinse. It's gonna make your job a lot easier. So tough stuff. Just for the rest. I don't even need this. By the way, you should use a brass one anyway. This is only going to certain things. It would be fine for this. Stainless, yeah. All right, big job. We got all the way downstairs to do, all floors, but we can knock all this out. I'll be coming back tomorrow to put enhanced sealer on all this up here. So the full shower, counters, everywhere. Big guns out. Pre-spread everything. Upstairs, the tiles drying, and yeah, so we're working our way out. It's gonna look a lot better. All right, so done. I'm putting on the seal right now. We went ahead and dried it, and majority of the way, about 90% dry, with fans and everything, and now just sealing it, going over the top. Yeah, I use Sager Super Sealer, and it's amazing for me because you can put this stuff over any tile and it flashes off the top of like porcelains and ceramics and stuff like that. But yeah, and when it dries tomorrow, all the grout lines are gonna be nice and bright and should match the tile pretty closely. So yeah, another one down. All right, guys, so large home here, lots of carpet. Total of 10 areas, 5 small areas. Yeah, this is the other job. So this is an $850 job. We didn't have to do a pet treatment on this, so it's straight carpet clean. There's a couple more rooms back there. So all the top floors carpeted, and the stairs. All the areas downstairs are tile. All right, and the carpet's in fairly good shape, you know, a couple rust stains and this and that. Customer sold that home, been here for 20 years. It's way out in the middle of nowhere, 30 miles way out, but it's beautiful out here. You know, this is a guest home. We're doing a room over there too. pool, you know, all ready for somebody to move in and put their style onto it. Nice. And the lady, before she left, she went ahead and paid us and gave us a $200 tip. Didn't even see the results yet. We didn't even start the job. So that's awesome, right? Just handed him 100, kept 100. And yeah, love customers like that. Yeah. And that's what good reviews do for you, you know. She hired us because all the reviews, and you know, and everybody's talking so highly of us. She trusts us. Yeah, look at this. So there's a lake way over there, right? It's the main lake for this area. Ocean's over there. And yeah, town's back here. Yeah, so the thing about the Central Coast, you got oceans. You got ocean, not just oceans. Yeah, we got multiple oceans here, guys. We're balling. No, we got ocean, we got multiple lakes, and weather's great. Central Coast, this is California. That's why I hate it so much. Yeah, it is expensive too. I hear you. A lot of carpet. One room in here. This cool little guest house, or you know, family member. You know, if you guys are interested, it's for sale. Actually, it's already sold. Sorry. Look at this. Right. I don't know. The pool seemed like it could be a little bigger, but. This comes with all kinds of property, vineyard, and all that. Yeah, big money. All right, guys, it's a wrap. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next one.